Stand with feet shoulder width apart and knees slightly bent. Hold your barbell at the hips with palms facing away from you. Inhale and prepare the body for effort. Flex your back, your glutes, and your legs to give yourself a stable foundation to pull from. Exhale while you pull the barbell up under your chin, flexing your elbows. Inhale as you lower the barbell with control back to the starting position. Repeat with good form through programmed reps. This exercise is the Barbell Bicep Curl. It's a great exercise for teaching your back, your core, and your biceps to work together while creating some elbow integrity. I've got a barbell and gravity. Let's get into it. The Barbell Bicep Curl is a great exercise to integrate your back and your biceps and core together. Notice how while Katie's doing this, she's not using her hips to throw the barbell up under her chin, but she's using her arm muscles the entire time to create tension and keep it under control. She's also doing an excellent job of fighting gravity on the way down, rather than letting her arms go slack when she comes down. When her arms get tired, we're actually going to fight the negative just for a second. So bring it on up, Katie, and then nice and slow on the way down with a good strong squeeze. That's a great set. Well done. Nice job.